Motorsports. The crucible where automakers test their thinking. Pushing engineering. Proving performance. No one does it quite like Subaru. The car. Designed around the driver. The balanced driver's feel gives them confidence to push even harder. Where others obsess over straight-line speed, Subaru knows life rarely comes at you in a straight line. This is why Subaru invested its learning in a concept that could handle the twists and turns. At its heart, the Subaru Boxer engine. Sitting low and flat, helping to deliver an ideal center of gravity. It has been improved, refined, put to the test in the most grueling challenges of motorsport. Rally, rallycross, road racing, endurance racing. Subaru didn't just survive in the heat of racing. Subaru flourished. Racing victories are one thing. They mean much more when they translate into performance for production models. Subaru has a long history of bringing its race car pedigree to the street. The combination of all-wheel drive and a Subaru Boxer engine that had dominated the World Rally stage led the way. But in 2012, Subaru took on a new performance challenge. The classic front-engine, rear-wheel drive sports car. A traditional concept, once again given the Subaru spin. The Subaru Boxer power plant slung low, driving 2 wheels instead of 4. Development of the first-generation BRZ was a collaboration between engineer and driver, once again using the concept of balanced performance to make the driver better. Racetracks and switchbacks were now the Subaru team's focus and their playground. Small, lightweight, low, nimble, combined with ample power, delivering surgical precision to the driver. A new singular purpose had joined the family of purpose-built Subaru vehicles. And the purpose of the first Subaru BRZ? Fun. Fun to look at. Even more fun to drive. A pure enthusiast's car. The Subaru faithful were quick to make the BRZ their own. But the Subaru racing and engineering traditions allow no room for complacency. The Subaru BRZ was pure sports car driving, but could it become even more pure? With an even lower center of gravity. Even more powerful with a new 2.4-liter Subaru Boxer engine. Improved torque. More horsepower. Could it become even more poised, with torsional stiffness increased 50%? Grip improved with Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires on 18-inch wheels. A more aggressive track mode. Presenting the next benchmark in the long collaboration between engineer and driver. The all-new 2022 Subaru BRZ. The near-perfect weight distribution provides amazing balance. The experience wraps itself around the driver, engages every sense. The interior is all new, oriented around the driver. Presenting the all-new 2022 Subaru BRZ. Sports car purity, Subaru DNA.